The sky is a fiction of fire tonight, a smolder of ochre and rose to dawn. And in the stillness, something isn't right. Evening as usual and those eyes go numb. Not even birds burst the air. Their breeze of holy prayers against the gloom. They watch the colors bleed out everywhere and treat the branches, both the birches too. When they do decide to finally leave, they stitch a lot away from where I stand. A truth I'll watch my home for heart believe is that they're headed for a better land. I trace their frantic feet against the haze and pray it's not the end of these sad days. But do they know something I can't divine? Do their slow glassy eyes see through the veil? Do they observe each prancing timeline? The ghost of every choice where we would fail. Triumph, do they see the girl like me? If I turn the dawn at common streets, a whispered phantom version of me, living a life of bitter and more sweet. Perhaps they witness what we've thrown away, a human freedom from our own town grip, from screams that teach us how to hate and fray, from the cold logic on the server's lip. A world where we haven't become the cage and let in theory on an empty cage. Or if it's just a foolish, hopeful plot, or they just burst out in the very same, unraveling that our own hands ever on. Is the burning sky to sky of flame? Spare your trust here in this view with us. Pretend to watch us all steady fall. Silent, small, and powerless, then I feel sorry for them most of all. But do they know something I can't divine? Do their small glassy eyes see through the veil? Do they observe each rinsing timeline? The ghost of every choice where we would fail or triumph. Do they see the girl like me? If I had turned left on that Cumberland Street, a whispered phantom version of me, living like a quicker and more sweet. The wind, a whisper, carries no sweet sound, no rustling leaves, no murmur of the stream. The silent call descends upon the ground, a broken promise or a terrible dream. The sun, a frozen dust and dying eye, struggles to pierce the veil of heavy gray. No lark ascends to greet the morning sky, no joyful truth to usher in the